In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales page on Squarespace. Whether you're launching a new product or wanting to revamp your existing sales page, Squarespace offers a sleek and efficient way to present your products professionally. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to successfully create your sales page. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once there, you'll see a variety of options. For our purposes, click on the Website section. This is where you'll manage all the aspects related to the visual and navigational elements of your site, crucial for setting up a dynamic sales page. Next, you'll need to head over to the Pages menu. This is your command center for adding and organizing all the pages on your website. Click on Add to create a new page. Squarespace offers various page options to suit different needs, but for a sales page, you'll want to select the Store option. Selecting Store enables you to easily manage products, orders, and transactions, making it ideal for e-commerce. After selecting Store, you'll be prompted to choose a store template. 8. This choice determines the visual layout of your sales page, so take some time to explore the template options available. Choose one that resonates with your brand aesthetics and meets the functional needs of your sales strategy. With your template selected, it's time to personalize your page by giving it a name that reflects your product or brand. This name will appear in your site's navigation menu, so it should clearly communicate what the page is about. Once your page is set up, you'll notice there may be some default products listed. Carefully select and delete these to clear space for your own offerings. Simply click on Delete to remove any unwanted product listings. After clearing out the default items, navigate back to Pages and then click on Website. Next, you'll find the search bar at the top right corner. This tool is invaluable when browsing through large inventories or site sections. Type in Product to quickly locate the Product Management section. Now that you're onto the right section, click on Products. At this point, you'll be able to manage your existing products or add new items. You'll notice an Import option, which is used to bring in product data from external sources, making it easy to migrate existing product information straight into your Squarespace store. Finally, click on Add Product. This step allows you to create a new product listing, filling in details like price, description, and images. This feature is essential for expanding your catalog and offering diverse products to your customers, and there you have it. You're now ready to showcase your products in a sleek sales page on Squarespace. Go ahead and explore these options to make the most out of your e-commerce experience. Happy selling!